Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my unboxing and my first impressions and hands-on of the Huawei Matepad Pro. So let's check it out. Now the Huawei Matepad Pro comes in a white box with the Huawei logo on the top right, the Huawei Matepad Pro in the middle, and the features like how the sound is tuned by Harman Kardon, the latest Kirin 990 chipset, explore it on the app gallery, and lastly the size of the tablet. Now opening the box immediately reveals the tablet itself. Underneath you'll find two white boxes where on the right you'll find the SIM ejector pin on the outside. Then inside, you'll find a USB-C to 3.5mm headphones dongle. So yes, this means there is no headphones jack on the tablet. Then you'll find the USB-A to USB-C cable. And since this is a review unit, there is no instructions guide where the retail unit will have one. But do you even need an instructions guide? Then the other box contains the 20-watt quick charging adapter. Now starting from the design, the tablet had a nice size, not too big or not too small, as it did felt nice when scrolling and navigating on the tablet. Now the build quality was great and had a nice weight to it as well, with the aluminium frame and also at the back too. Now as for the color options, specifically here in Malaysia, there'll be two colors available. The one which I have is called the Midnight Grey, then it is also available in Pearl White. So now looking at the tablet screen, it comes at a 10.8-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels with a very high 200 ppi pixel density and a high 90% screen to body ratio. Then there is the hole punch at the front of the screen, which is the first out of any tablet out right now, and that's the reason for the almost bezel-less design for the tablet as well. Now as for the tablet spots and buttons, there is the USB-C port with 2 out of 4 speaker grill, and the other side has the other 2 more speakers, and you'll find the power button over there. Then looking at the side where there is the volume rocker, you'll find 4 microphone holes on top, and on the other you'll find the nano memory card slot which supports up to 256 gigs of storage with no SIM, as this is the Wi-Fi variant. While we don't usually take photos on a tablet, but it comes with a great camera where the rear camera comes with a 13 megapixel f1.8 aperture and the front camera is an 8 megapixel f2.0 camera. As for the insides of the tablet, it has the Kirin 990 5G chipset, and then this particular variant that is being brought here in Malaysia is the 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage. Now before diving further into the software, I've managed to quickly test out the gaming capabilities and also the amazing sound, and here's a sound recorded straight from the tablet. Nice, huh? Now in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 10 with EMUI 10.1, and like the Huawei P40 Pro, there's also the Huawei Meet Time, which is similar to FaceTime, WeChat and WhatsApp. But the difference is that the Huawei Meet Time is streamed in Full HD instead of 720p as it is for other softwares, and what's great is that it doesn't consume as much data compared to other softwares as well. And like the Mate 30 Pro onwards, the Huawei Share and the multi-screen collaboration is present in the tablet to easily transfer files from your phone to this Matepad Pro. And speaking of software and apps, in case you guys haven't checked that video out, I've actually released a video about a proper guide on how you can make full use of the Huawei app gallery and other means to get your favorite apps on this and the upcoming releases from Huawei, which are also linked at above right now. Now as for the Huawei Matepad Pro's battery, it comes with 7250 milliamps of battery and up to 40 watts of fast charging and fast wireless charging up to 15 watts and also reverse wireless charging up to 7.5 watts, which is the first on any other tablets out right now. And yes, once I use this tablet longer as my daily tablet, I will do a full battery test and I'll revert that in my full video review. And speaking of the device being my daily driver, at this moment, I even got to test a tablet with the smart magnetic keyboard, which has the different angles, adjustments, which is kind of nice and sleek. And I also tried the brand new M Pencil as well. And it seems like this could potentially be a tablet that I cannot live without, since the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is one of my daily driver smartphones, and the seamless integration between both of the devices seems pretty amazing too. So yes, during this whole 1 week of testing, it seems to be quite interesting. Now, as for the price and availability here in Malaysia, the Matepad Pro is available of a price of 2,399 ringgit, and there are free gift bundles worth up to 1,000 ringgit, where they'll be bundling it with the M Pencil, the smart magnetic keyboard, 3 months of WPS Office Premium, cloud storage up to 50 gigs for 12 months, and also 3 months of premium access of the Huawei video. That's a huge bundle, man. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys like to know about the Huawei Matepad Pro at the comments section below, and as usual, I'll revert them in my full video review. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions video and also my unboxing of the brand new Huawei Matepad Pro. And if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. 3 months of premium access, and also 3 months of premium access. Looks like I don't need any focus or maybe white balance anymore, because my beard is in focus. Super sharp. No barbers open.